In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription so you can adjust your plan to fit your business needs. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Subscriptions and Billing. This page manages your plan and payments. Here, you'll see your current plan, billing details, and renewal information. It's a helpful snapshot so you know exactly where you stand before making a change. On the same page, you'll see options labeled Upgrade Your Plan and Downgrade Your Plan. If you need more features like additional users, advanced reporting, or automation, select Upgrade Your Plan. If you want to simplify or reduce costs, select Downgrade Your Plan. QuickBooks keeps all your company data intact, so you won't lose transactions or history when switching. You'll just gain or lose access to certain features depending on the plan you choose. A few tips. Upgrades usually take effect immediately, while downgrades may apply at your next billing cycle. Pricing is prorated, so mid-cycle changes may show as partial charges or credits. Make sure any critical tools like inventory tracking, bill automation, or time tracking are included in the plan you move to. It's also wise to change plans at a convenient time, like after closing a month, to avoid workflow interruptions. When ready, select Upgrade Your Plan or Downgrade Your Plan and follow the on-screen prompts. QuickBooks will update your plan on the Subscriptions and Billing page and usually sends a confirmation email. That's it. Open the gear icon, go to Subscriptions and Billing, review your current plan, choose Upgrade or Downgrade, and adjust your QuickBooks Online subscription to match your business needs.